This is a message for anybody who still struggles with nutrition.
Can we just get real for a second? You've read the books, you tried the diets, which they all seem like they'll work, but then, once again, you get totally frustrated when you don't stay on track. It's even happened to me, you guys, with my own program, and I'm the one who created the Ultimate Portion Fix. Here's the thing, I've talked to people who have gotten amazing results with the 21-day fix and finally felt like they had control over food instead of food controlling them. And then what? It all slips away as soon as they finish the program because they had no support to keep their nutrition on track, and they weren't looking at this like the lifestyle that it is. But not anymore. I've got what you've been missing. Welcome to the monthly fix. Here's what it is. It's an ongoing support system and exclusive community to keep you on track and turn your investment in Ultimate Portion Fix into a lifestyle you're gonna love.
And if you have or buy the Ultimate Portion Fix now, you can try the monthly fix for free.
That's right. It's a full month to try the monthly fix for free.
We're gonna have weekly check-ins, live Q&A sessions, bi-monthly meal plans, and one-on-one conversations. And we'll even make audio files available so you can listen while you're on the go.
The point is this, I want you to get results. And even more importantly than that, I want you to maintain those results. No more of those big up and down cycles. Every month that you're a member of the Monthly Fix, I'm giving you incredible new strategies to help conquer those progress killers. We're gonna take deep dives into managing your containers, identifying your triggers. We're also gonna get the whole family eating healthier without complaining about it. I know that's something every parent struggles with. I've been there, I've dealt with that. So I'm gonna show you firsthand how I make it work with my son. And you're also gonna get exclusive new Fixate recipes months before those are released into the Beachbody On Demand library. And then we're gonna share all of our creations in our group. You're gonna love cooking for once. But here's the thing, I can't help you stay on track unless you've got the Ultimate Portion Fix program and you're a part of this community. So the next step is yours. Join me and let's help you finally get control over food. Let's get to work together.